All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and I'm going to show you where you can get the blueprints for the improved fins in Subnautica 2. These are an improved, faster version of the basic fins you get at the start of the game. They require your original basic fins, some fiber mesh, and 2 conduit crystals in order to make. And they have a 3-part blueprint that I will show you how to get here today. Okay, so our adventure here to find these fins begins in front of the Research Outpost, which is marked by the alien ruins marker by the computer, and it's about 1,300 meters directly to the east of the life pod past the collector Leviathan. So we're going to start at the Research Outpost, and we're actually going to follow this cable down to this little station down here, where there are some scannable goodies and also possibly some stuff you can pick up, and the first one you want to scan is actually right here, the first improved fins. So give that a scan, and then we're going to continue, and we're going to go over to 150 to this giant stone pillar over here in order to go and get the next set of fins that we need to scan. And then the third set is going to actually be underneath of this pillar. Just be careful because these red guys here shoot teeth at you and they're kind of annoying. The next set of fins is going to be right down here by this little pile of stuff. They are hiding inside of this cooler. Just go down here and give those bad boys a scan. That'll be 2 of 3, and then the last set is down here in this hole. We're gonna swim all the way down into here and we're gonna look for a big pile of wreckage. And then the last set of the third of all of these is down here next to this black box. You can go ahead and give these a scan, and then you will have all of the fins and you will be able to craft them. And you'll be able to swim faster by default, even without the assistance of equipment, which is a very useful perk, especially at the end of the game, where a lot of the stuff is hungry, does a lot more damage to your character, and is pretty much just a giant pain in the butt. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you get the improved fins for Subnautica 2. They're really right next door to the base. You just gotta know where to find the blueprints, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.